Hello, July 5th, and the day is very bad because I decided to go to the motel. That would be my second night in this place. Yesterday the thunderstorm was very bad. Actually the trees basically were broken. The lightning strike just here all around to the motel, so the wind was very strong. It was really unsafe to walk, and at the moment, so basically the same, it's raining, but I don't see a thunderstorm, which is great. But actually it stopped like for a moment, but just a moment ago I saw like outside the window it was raining. Maybe I'm gonna show you. At the moment it's not a heavy rain, but it was very heavy. As you can see, there is like a lot of water. You can feel the humidity basically like 100%. The clouds is grey and it was black. I hope you see it. I'm in a motel, Kenora motel. Because I decided that for safety it would be better to stay here, because to Vermilion Bay it's almost completely wide. I have to say almost, because there are some places that it's probably closed or whatever. Some people live there. Maybe I was thinking I'm gonna make a barbecue today, just to have something. Oh, actually, here we are, the rain. As I... Oh ho ho! Very nice rain. Let's take a look. Here you are. Rain, rain, it's raining man. Hallelujah, it's raining man. So, I didn't want to walk in the conditions like that because the visibility is very low. It's below 1 kilometer, so basically in places like on a highway where you have nothing, the truckers, the drivers, it's very hard to see. Maybe just take a look. There is a forest, and it's hard to see because you have this fog. So I really like this area because it's like mountains without the mountains. I mean, you have forest, boreal forest, humidity, it looks very nice. It's not so boring like on the prairies. Here finally I feel the adventure. I'm so happy I started this journey because it's the best journey ever. There are so many reasons basically to walk across Canada, and maybe I'm gonna write one of them in my book. I hope I will write a book. Oh, rain, 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 heavy rain. It's raining to me. To the room. I need to close the door because the owner will will be angry that it's dirty. So, what am I doing right now? They, for example, show that the rain, how it was somewhere. It's 4:26 p.m. and my bed, basically my phone, nothing special, my card. I didn't really even open everything, I just didn't want to. It's almost ready to go, I just need to pack a few more things. At the moment I'm working on a movies and I'm doing something very, very special. Oh, by the way, I'm writing a comment for Anya. She just arrived to Manitoba, across my country by bike. Added 2 photos. Hello Manitoba, made it in record time, 40 kilometers an hour. And yes, the wind is on my side. Tonight, Brandon, Manitoba. So proud of you, Anya. Hope you enjoy your ride, and we'll meet very, very soon. Wow, that's nice. What a nice photos. Dum da da dum. Bravissimo, you are the best. I'm gonna write some comment for you. And that's me recording a movie right now. I know I need to take a shower and my hair and do some stuff. Maybe I'm gonna show you the downpour right now because it changed the direction, so look, enjoy the rain, rain. You can see basically it's many millimeters of rain. The expected is like 30 to 40 millimeters. Okay. Oh, these are my supplies for the next 2 or 3 days. Basically, I hope it will be enough for 3 days. I have some emergency drinks right there. I have like 4 liters in my cart. Here I have 24 bottles of almost 60 milliliters. So it's very nice. Some drinks, water. I decided to buy some Chinese soups because when I have troubles to eat, for example, because of the heat, I'm not able to eat steaks or anything like that. So basically, this kind of soups are very good because the pasta can fill up the stomach for a while, so I don't feel hungry, and it's at least something warm to drink. And so I should finish the movie right now, and tomorrow I will start walking through a very difficult area, and see you.